Hi everyone, in front of me I've got NOKIA XR20 and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all, let's enter the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom and tap on system. Now let's tap on advanced and enter reset options. And as you can see, on the very first position we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, and here we've got the information that your device will reset all network settings including Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. So let's tap on reset settings. Your device will ask you again if you really want to do it, because you cannot undo this action. So let's tap on reset settings again and wait. And as you can see here, we've got the information that the network settings have been reset successfully. So actually this is it. This is how to reset network preferences in your NOKIA XR20. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.